Arra and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, meron akong sobrang exciting na announcement sa inyo guys. Dahil bare months na at actually patapos na yung September, meron kaming giveaways here in Cyberbacker sa lahat ng aspiring applicants namin. So every year, share ko lang, every year sa Cyberbacker, meron kami tinatawag na #Cyberbacker Challenge. Usually ginagawa lang namin siya internal where everyone in the company can post as many content as they can on different social media platforms about Cyberbacker, and by the time na dumating na yung December, meron kaming mga cash prize na $1,000, work tools, gaming chairs, ayan. So ngayon, for the second time around, we are inviting every one of you to join itong aming #Cyberbacker external contest. Ayan, so yun yung i-discuss ko sa inyo ngayon. So ano nga ba itong #Cyberbacker external contest, no? This contest will run from September 24 to December 24. So kung fina-follow nyo yung aming mga social media platforms, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, we've already announced this, no? So kapag di nyo pa nakikita, punta na kayo sa aming mga social media platforms para makita nyo yung poster namin and also yung complete mechanics ng contest. But again, I will be discussing with you all of those today, okay? So I will be putting here the poster. Ayan. So ang ating prizes for the #Cyberbacker Challenge giveaway is number 1, yung first prize natin will get Panther Gaming Chair. Second prize is the Jabra Evolve headset. So siya. And then the third prize is the Asus webcam. Ayan. So ito po ay mga work tools. So kung kayo po ay someone who is interested, you know, to start your work from home journey pero wala pa kayo ng mga gamit na to, and then I suggest sumali na po kayo, no? This is really an early Christmas treat for our aspiring applicants. Ayan, so discuss natin ano nga ba yung mga requirements para makasali kayo dito sa #Cyberbacker Challenge. So number 1, this is open to all aspiring Cyberbackers. So kung kayo po ay interesadong maging part ng Cyberbacker in the future, you want to apply in Cyberbacker, please join. Ayan, qualified ka agad. Number 2, you must be at least 18 years old and above. Ayan na, 18 years old. Kasi yung 18 years old po, yan yung ating legal working age here in the Philippines. Okay, now, what to do? Okay, ito na po ang ating mechanics. Guys, ako gumawa ng mechanics kaya kabisado ko na to. Okay, number 1, must post any content about Cyberbacker. Ayan, you can post any content, basta dapat yung post nyo ay related sa Cyberbacker at tungkol sa Cyberbacker. Number 2, you can also create your own content like video, gifs, images, as long as it is Cyberbacker related. Ayan. Number 3, posts that are not related to Cyberbacker will be invalid. Ayan. So, baka naman guys, mag-share lang kayo ng kung ano-ano, tapos nilagyan nyo lang siya ng Cyberbacker. Invalid po yun, ha? Yung mga ganong entry. Okay. Number 4, should use #Cyberbacker on all the posts. Ayan. So, dapat meron po kayo nakalagay na #Cyberbacker sa mga caption nyo. Next is, must use an active email address and contact number. Ayan. So, kasi po, pagka sumali kayo dito, you will be filling out a form. So, dapat yung nakalagay po dun is yung active email and also your contact number. Next is, social media profile must be set to public and must be searchable. Ayan. So, kung depende po sa ginagamit yung platform, kung gagamit kayo ng Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, ayan. So, dapat po nakaset sa profile yung, nakaset sa public yung profile nyo para namin. Tsaka dapat searchable siya ha, para makita namin yung mga entries nyo. Okay, next. If your all posts must be visible for the entire contest duration and should be set to public. Ayan, di ba meron mga option dyan na yung mga post natin, pwede natin siyang gawing private or public. So, make sure na dapat naka-public lagi yung mga entries nyo. Next, if your posts were deleted, banned, or reported, they will be automatically invalid. Ayan. So, be careful lang po dun sa mga content na pinopost nyo. Make sure that it follows the social media standards or guidelines ng platform na gagamitin nyo for this post. Okay? Next, any suspicious activities done by the participants will not be tolerated and will result in disqualification. Ayan. Guys, huwag po tayo mandaya. Okay? This is going to be a fun contest for everyone. Okay, next. So, how to win naman? You must have at least 5,000 valid entries to qualify. And then, the top 3 participants with the most number of posts by December 17 will win. Winners will be announced on Cyberbackers' official social media channels. Winners will be contacted via email, and Cyberbacker will ship your prizes directly to your doorstep. To submit your entries, please fill out the form. Ayan. So, ilalagay ko po lahat ng complete mechanics natin doon sa description box below. Okay. Ano ba yung mga questions na usually meron kayo, no? Ang question nyo is, okay lang bang mag-post ng same content as long as posted siya dun sa mga different platforms na gagamitin nyo, no? So, okay lang na pare-parehong post. Let's say, for example, gagamit kayo ng isang Cyberbacker poster. Let's say, yung Career Night poster, gagamitin nyo siya, no? Tapos, yun lang yung paulit-ulit yung ipopost. That's already counted as 1 and 3, okay? And next, yung question naman about sa valid entries. Yes, you need to get at least 5,000 posts bago po kayo mag-qualify dun sa ating mga prizes. Okay? Ayan. So, baka isipin nyo, grabe naman, ang dami naman ng 5,000 posts. Remember guys, sobrang tagal ng contest na to. This is going to run from September 24 to December 24. Okay? And, okay na yung 5,000 entries. Parang before hack, check ko lang. Nung sumali ako dito sa #Cyberbacker Challenge, sa internal contest namin, I think parang naka 5,000 entries ako in a span of 1 week. 1 week lang kasi sobrang talagang, sobrang, yung mga tao sa amin, sobrang competitive. And yung price naman kasi sobrang bongga, kaya naman grabe, diba? Ayan, so kaya guys, I encourage also for everyone to join the #Cyberbacker contest. Lahat ng mechanics ilalagay ko po sa description box below. So, pakicheck na lang po. Again, before I say my goodbye, yun lang po yung purpose ng video na to, is to invite everyone to join our #Cyberbacker challenge. But before anything else, guys, I am inviting everyone to join the Cyberbacker Career Night. What is Cyberbacker Career Night? Cyberbacker Career Night is a free online Zoom event made especially for those people who are interested to work from home. So, kung kayo po ay interested mag-join sa Cyberbacker or you're curious to know more about the work from home and online jobs that we are offering, please join. Again, Cyberbacker Career Night is a free online Zoom event happening weeklies on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Manila time. All you have to do po to register is to scroll down dun sa description box below and pakihanap lang po yung Career Night registration link. Ako na po mismo yung magsasend sa inyo ng Zoom invite a few hours before the event. Okay guys, a few hours ha. Not necessarily mean na kapag sign up nyo ay marireceive nyo po agad yung emails. Usually, nagsasend po ako ng invitation around 2 to 1 hour before the event during Tuesdays and Thursdays Manila time. Okay, so there you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And please, stay tuned for October because for October 2021, I will be releasing the non-voice, voice, part-time, and full-time available jobs again here in Cyberbacker. Alright, that's it for me, guys. Like this video and please subscribe. Thank you! Bye-bye!